Hello everybody, these are the instructions for the English Sing Sing assignment. So I'm going to click here and then we always have the directions ready for you. Choose a video, watch the video, write one sentence about what you learned in the video. Elige un video, ver el video y escribe una oración sobre lo que aprendiste en el video. Haga clic en enviar después de escribir sobre lo que ha aprendido para que yo pueda leer lo que escribió. So I'm going to click here and then hay muchos videos. Elige the first one and then it'll take you. Click here. You need to watch the video. And then when you're done, you need to write your answer. Escribe tu respuesta. One thing I learned from this video is una cosa que yo aprendí. And then you write it, okay? And you do one video a day. Easy. Bye-bye.